In this episode, we'll guide you through the process of adding your new Smart SILENO Sense robotic lawnmower to the GARDENA Smart app. Start by placing the Smart SILENO Sense in its charging station and installing the GARDENA Smart app on your smartphone. Not to be confused with the GARDENA Bluetooth app, which does not support the Smart SILENO Sense. In the GARDENA Smart app, tap Start to select the product you want to add. The Smart SILENO Sense is the first GARDENA Smart product that doesn't require a smart gateway to be part of the smart system. Instead, it connects easily via Wi-Fi or through its built-in SIM card, which provides free lifetime mobile connectivity. Other GARDENA Smart products that do require a gateway can still be operated alongside the SILENO Sense within the same app and account. Select SILENO Sense in the app. If your mower isn't already switched on, press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds. You'll know it's active when the LEDs on the mower start flashing. Now enter the predefined PIN code. Up, right, down, left. Confirm by pressing the checkmark button. You can change this PIN code later in the app. Once all LEDs light up, the mower is ready. To connect the mower to the app, press the connectivity button on the mower. When the LED starts flashing, the pairing mode is active for 3 minutes. The mower must be paired with the Smart app during this period. Make sure you're within 3 meters of the mower. Select SILENO Sense to add your mower. Once added, you can give it a name. Now your Smart SILENO Sense has been successfully added to the GARDENA Smart app. To teach it its virtual boundaries, watch the corresponding video.